we want to find the domain of this function. We're going to assume we want the largest subset of the real numbers that's possible for x. So x can be any real number except what number? Remember, we can't have 0 in the denominator, that's undefined. So what value of x would make the denominator 0? That's if x is -1. So what's the domain of this function? X can be any real number except -1. That's the domain. All real numbers except -1. Now, if you think of the whole number line and you want to write it in interval notation, the entire number line is -infinity to infinity. So how do we exclude in interval notation this single number from all real numbers? We could write it in interval notation as the following: from -infinity to -1 with the parenthesis, union -1 to infinity. This is another way of writing the domain using interval notation. Can you see I have all real numbers here except -1? So this is the domain, and this is just another way of writing the same domain.